Alright buddies, so something has happened with my white Jetta. The transmission broke down. See it here in the video. So what happened is the fifth gear just slipped off, and yeah, no fifth gear anymore, and it made a loud grinding noise like someone threw a handful of screws in there. And I decided to yeah, drive back to a garage of a friend. Was kind of close, and try to get a new transmission. I don't have a transmission yet. Try to find one. So let's take a look at the disaster. Alright, there it is. There's the old transmission. Yeah, I took the cap off at the end of the transmission, and yeah, that's pretty good done. Yeah, so no transmission in there right now. So I posted on social media and everything, and no one was able to get me a new transmission. So I was just driving around and found some old Volkswagens at the side of the street, somewhere around here, and went in there, and he said he had a transmission for me. Right now we are just waiting on a transmission, and yeah, I hope we can fix it quickly and I can start driving it again, because I'm kind of missing my fucking car. Alright buddies, so it's a couple days without my car now, and it's kind of harder than I thought to get a transmission. That guy called me and told me, hey, I got a transmission out, but it's already bad. So I don't know if he can organize a new one, or I don't know. I checked online for a transmission, cannot find something, not on social media, nowhere. Yeah, that is kind of a mess. Really hard to find it, but yeah, I will try to find one and hope I find it really soon, because I'm really missing my car, and I just want it back right now. And yeah, kind of a little bit sad, but I hope in the next video I can show you that I installed the transmission and it's driving nice again and everything is good. But for right now, that's the situation, and yeah, nothing what I can do right now except for hope that I find the transmission. And we are going in a little I destroyed my transmission pawn right here. See you then, buddy.
It's a mosh pit. Yeah, shout it back.